Hello everyone, myself Rajat from Isuremedia. So in this short video, I will give you an overview of one of our clients sub account who deals in building and restructuring pools. So earlier in this sub account, the owner and her team members were capturing the leads through Facebook lead forms, and the sub account was a little bit messy. They were just nurturing the leads, and one of their team members were following up with the lead and trying to convert them as a client. She reached out to us, and she gave a look of our sub account, and she wanted from us that we just restructure her sub account in a very optimized way, so everyone can use the sub account and manage the leads accordingly. So we just explored her sub account and showed her that we can easily implement what she wanted from us. Actually, she wanted from us that we also put the leads data into a Google sheet, and all the status of the lead should also be filled in the Google sheet. And along with that, she also shared with us a plan that she also planning to hire a caller guy who will call the lead and follow up with the lead accordingly, so he can just convert the lead for them and live transfer or warm transfer them. Okay, so let's hop into my desktop screen, and I will show you how things are working. So I have already made a test contact in there. I have just filled their website lead form, and in the Google sheet you can see that my data is being filled when I just filled their lead form in the website. Here you can see last activity, the source is being filled as a website because I filled their website lead form, and all my details have been filled with the test, iSure, my email, phones, city, and also I just filled their lead form questions, so they are also being filled here. So let's try it, and let's see the data will be updated in the Google sheet. Also, when the lead replies to the initial text, the lead will be considered as a hot lead, and also it will move to this column. So for now, just skip that. Let's try. Let's say the caller guy follow up first time with the lead and just put the card into this first try stage. Here I just put it into the first try. Let's see the Google sheet. Here you can see the contacted column has been filled with X, means the caller guy has contacted the lead and it has been filled with X. Now the caller guy can follow up with more time. Let's say if the lead is not converted in the first try or second try, so he can just follow up along with that. And let's say according to the situation of the lead, he puts it into these long-term nurture. So he wanted to just long-term nurture the lead. Let's say, yeah, he put it, and let's try to see the sheet. Here you can see the long-term nurture column has been filled with X. Yeah, okay. Let's try other stages. Okay, after following with the lead, so the caller guy, let's say, has convinced the lead, and now he wants to warm transfer or live transfer the lead. I just want to mention one thing: whether the lead is warm transferred or live transferred, this transfer column will be filled. Okay, now this time let's test warm transfer. Here we have just put it into the warm transfer. Also, the owner will also be notified for it when we warm transfer or light transfer the lead. Let's see the sheet. Here you can see the transfer column has been filled with X, means the lead has been transferred. Okay, now also their other team members follow up with the lead, so they put the opportunity card of the lead according with the follow up. So let's say I will put up here in this in the working with to book Nikki, Janvi, their team members who just follow up with the lead to just close the deal. Here you can see waiting to book. Here it is just matched with the waiting to book, so the waiting to book column has been filled with X. Okay, now let's say if they booked an appointment with the lead there. Now see the sheet. Here you can see the book date has been appointment book date has been filled with the present date. So whenever the team member guy just put this opportunity card, the present date will be filled in the Google sheet. Let's say if they done a site visit, On-site done. Now see here the Google Sheet. Here you can see the Google Sheet has been updated with the present date of on-site done. Okay, let's try another stage, which is on the contact. Let's try another time. Okay, just move it to the proposal given date. Okay, let's see. Yeah, here you can see proposal given date are also being filled. If they close the deal, they put the leads opportunity card to sold, and here you can see sold closed column will be filled with X. Okay, and they also wanted us from that we made more stages we made for them, so they used it for their purpose according to the leads situation. So here is all for that which I showed you for the sub account. I hope you understood what I showed you regarding this sub account and how this configuration is working with the GHL. I also want to mention one thing, that we used a third party tool which is Make for configuring this Google Sheet with our GHL sub account. So I hope you like this video. So please do hit like the video and subscribe to our channel. It motivates us to make the content like this for you more. Thank you. Bye bye.